Another fantastic product from Ninja. This is the Ninja Blast. It's a portable blender. So you can take this to work, to the office, to the gym. Basically, it will just allow you to make smoothies on the go. Once I switch on, it takes just a moment for the product to register that we want to use it. And once this goes solid, we are good to go. So I'm going to unscrew the top. And there's a mark on here which says the minimum amount of liquid. So for this one, we're going to add some milk. And then, since it's such a warm day, we'll add some ice. I did wash my hands before I started doing this. And this one's going to be with strawberries and with banana. So I'll pop a few strawberries in. Let's not bother cutting them too much, just make sure they fit. And then banana. There we go, they're just about up to the maximum mark. So then screw the lid back on. And simply hit the start button. This deals with ice as well, which is amazing for a plastic bodied blender. Normally they don't cope very well with ice, but this one does. So then we can switch off, and then we'll serve these into glasses, but you can just use this as a drinking vessel. You just drink straight from here. But there we go, for a perfectly blended smoothie. I mean, this is better than a McDonald's milkshake, to be honest with you. But I think it's superb, and I think it's the sort of thing that you can use so much throughout the year for healthy, nutritious drinks.